Hi baby, how are you doing? Daddy's back again. Yay, Daddy comes back all the time. Never fails you. Honey, would you like to read another story? Good. I'm glad. How about we read No Monkey No? Is that a good one? Okay, here we go. You ready? All right. The sun was setting and Monkey snuggled into a leafy treetop for a good night's sleep. But then he heard, "That's my bed," squawked Parrot. So Monkey moved on. The reeds make a good bed, he thought. No, Monkey, no. This is where I sleep, snapped the crocodile. So Monkey moved on. There's Monkey again. The grass is cozy, he thought. No, Monkey, no. You can't stay there, hissed the snake. So Monkey moved on. These leaves are perfect pillows, he thought. No, Monkey, no. There's no room up here, growled the leopard. So Monkey moved on. I can't stretch out in the lily pad, he thought. No, Monkey, no. I sleep here, billowed the hippo. See the hippo, honey? Whoops, there it is. See? At last he found a viny bed and nobody else was sleeping there. But as he closed his sleepy eyes, up came the sun. Poor monkey. Oh, poor monkey. Want another one? Alright, ready? How about Tog the dog? Have you heard of Tog the dog? Funny dog. Yeah, that's Tog. Hi gang, it's Dog. One day Tog went out for a jog. I'm a dog who likes to jog. Let's jog with Tog. Jog. He got lost in a fog. How can I jog in the fog? Where's Tog? In the fog. Tripped over a cog. Oops. Oh no, over I go. Look out, Tog. And fell into a bog. Splash. Poor Tog. Here is in the bog. And frightened a frog. Hello, frog. Bloom, bloom. Ribbit, ribbit. A bog monster. No, that's Tog, the bog dog. Along came a fat hog. Hello, Tog. Nice hog. Dirty dog. Out for a jog, hog. Who picked up a log. Hang on, Tog. A hog with a log will save the dog. Okay, hog. And pulled out of the bog the dog called Tog. Now, Tog, you're out of the bog. Yes, thank you, hog. A hog and a dog and a log at the end of a jog. Funny, huh? The end. Honey, I hope you have a good night. I love you, honey, very much. I miss you. Can you give Daddy a kiss? Mwah. I'll blow into you too. Mwah. I love you. Give Daddy a hug. You be good to Mommy and go night-night real good, okay? You dream of Daddy, okay? You call him anytime. I love you. Have fun. I'll see you soon, okay? You'll see me soon, okay? Bye. I'll see you later, baby. Bye.